Hello and welcome to this Photoshop concept video. My name is Kimby with the Software Training Lab. In this video, I will be explaining and demonstrating how to use the Dodge tool and the Burn tool within Photoshop. These tools allow you to lighten or darken specific areas of your image respectively. Within the Essentials workspace in Photoshop, these two tools are located under the same tab. Both of these tools cause destructive edits. In order to maintain the original photo, you'll want to make a copy of your layer by selecting it in your Layers panel and using the hotkey Command or Control J. We'll first be going over the Dodge tool. The Dodge tool looks somewhat like a magnifying glass and is used to lighten specific areas of the image. After selecting the tool, the cursor changes to a circle. This acts as a brush. Wherever this brush is placed will be lightened. If you want the area to be even lighter, you can release the cursor and begin painting again. To adjust the size of your brush, you can use your bracket keys or click on the drop-down arrow on the control panel and adjust it there. In this same drop-down area, you can adjust the hardness of the brush. Decreasing the hardness of the brush will result in a smoother blend from your tool. The Burn tool works extremely similarly to the Dodge tool. All of the adjustments are the same except that the Burn tool will darken specific areas and the Dodge tool will lighten specific areas. In the same way that you adjust the Dodge tool's size and hardness, you can adjust the Burn tool. Within the control panel, you can also adjust the range of your selected tool. The range options are shadows, midtones, and highlights. When shadows are selected, the tool will focus on the darker portions within the image. Midtones adjust the middle portions, and highlights adjust the lightest portions of the image. On the control panel, you can also adjust the exposure of the brush. Adjusting the exposure is similar to changing the opacity. By changing the exposure, you change the amount that the tool will adjust the image. I will delete my copied layer and create a new one using Command or Control J. Then I will use the Dodge and Burn tool to adjust this image. Thank you for watching this Photoshop concept video. If you are interested in learning more, I recommend visiting our YouTube page. There, you will find more videos about Photoshop as well as other programs.